It's not even on my radar right now.
Oh. So I'd ask the mayor if that is your intention to bring the community together, one, those conversations should be public, and there should be all views represented on those committees. So I'd ask the mayor, would you consider appointing Councilmember Barrera or I to that committee?
I certainly would consider that. Yes, the answer is I would consider it, and I'll address some of the things you're saying in my comments if that's okay.
Thank you. The last council meeting, Mayor, you mentioned that you would not be opposed to appointing either Councilmember Barrera or I to the Housing Ad Hoc Committee. If that's the case, when will you be making that determination?
Soon. It's not even on my radar right now.